to the many video guys and my YouTube channel friends. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how to on adaptive brightness mode in our Technophone friends. You want to on guys your adaptive brightness. So friends, how can you on it in your Technophone device? In this video friends, I am going to show you. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys, if you're in my channel, so friends, first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, like my video. Friends, open your phone setting to on your adaptive brightness mode. After on phone setting guys, you can see this type of setting in your Technophone. So guys, click on guys your display and brightness setting friends, and guys second option guys, you can see your adaptive brightness. So we call it guys automatic brightness setting. So as you want to on your adaptive brightness means enable, so means you can on from here and guys come back. So as you can see, after on guys adaptive brightness decrease automatic, because guys we are in inside, and guys, when we go outside guys, brightness will increase decrease automatic in your Technophone device. So friends, like that guys, you can on guys your adaptive brightness mode in your Technophone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video friends. We will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.